Hello and welcome back subscriber. Today in this video I am going to explain each and every step to enroll in Sala summer internship offer. So the link you will going to get in the Telegram group of Deep Kodak Guru. If you are not there, then please you join it. You can get the link in video description as well as the first comment of the video. The link will be also available in video description for this Internsala as well as in comment section, and also on the Facebook page it is available. So this is the link. Even you can type this link from video. So there is just bit.ly and /3gdsr9l. Just you can type this 7 letter and you can get. So I am going to register and do each and every process, so you will be very clear about the process, right? So I am going to first sign up. This you can apply even you are in first year, second year, third year, fourth year, and any stream, either you are core branches like civil, triple E, mechanical, or you are non-core branches like IT, CSE, then you can also apply for this internship opportunity, and you can earn the pocket money as well as the certificate you can earn using this opportunity. So I am just doing everything as from very starting, so you will not miss any opportunity and you will not face any difficulty while you are enrolling for it for the first time. And I hope you must have already done it. And please don't forget to share this video with your juniors and all those people who are pursuing engineering at any level, so they can get also advantage of this chance. So I am going to just put my channel name, right. Tutorial, and number I am going to put, okay, and current city typically Andhra Pradesh, and second city I will get anything. I am going to just random. I am going to put, okay, Vijayawada. Right, and next. So you can follow the same process. You are very new to this, so you will not miss the chance. You will get each and every explanation here in which field you are looking for the internship. So you have to give the preference. On that basis only it will going to display you the internship opportunity. So what are the first? Civil engineering, mechanical, computer vision. So there is so many things. I am going to programming or software development or web development, anything you can go as per your choice. Please you only select your performance based on your knowledge and based on your capability. In what field you are good at, you only select those types, so you will feel more comfortable with these all things, right? Fourth, performance, okay. Fourth, what I select, let me check out, social media marketing. Fifth, so you select more, as many as you can you select, so you will get more and more opportunity related to the task. So what I am going to select next mobile app development, and now it is done. And what type of internship you are looking for or you will be available for, so you may be part-time or full-time internship. So if you are also doing any other internship with any other company like Internsala, Coding Ninja or Flipbyte, anyone else, then you better to just select from this part time. Or if you want to go for the full time, then you can go for full time, or you can select the both. So better I am going for the work from home and part time. So this will most favorable in this condition in this lockdown period. So I will select this. You can go with your own choice, right? Based on your branch stream, you select those performances. So now you can see here, now it is showing the opportunity, and there is 3107 internship matching with my performance what I have selected there. Based on that it is filtering. Even you can filter from here more precisely, and based on location, what types of internship you want, or internship for particular women only or with job offer, what type of internship you want to select, you can select from here. And more precisely, if you want to select, if the category is not given, then you can type your keywords and you can select, right? And you can untick. For this you have to untick and then you have to select here, right? So I am just telling this what I have selected while creating account. Please show the related internship here, right? And this is, you can see, this is advertisement. Most of you are just opening the link and getting this and clicking here like this, and it is taking you to the next page for Internsala training courses, and you are thinking like this is not a internship and you have to pay her fee and learn those things, so you are getting some stuck there. That's why I am creating this video. You will skip this. When you are seeing there enroll now, then you must understand this is not a internship. You can see enroll now, and while coming to internship there is view detail. So in view detail there is internship. In view you can go, and if you want to get more priority, if you want to make sure of your internship, then please you do some online free courses related to this internship requirement, and then you apply. And I hope you have already completed some related courses, free courses. I have already suggested so many courses from Amazon, Udemy, Coursera, Google. So you can go with those things and you can apply, right? So you learn from those free resources and you put those things in your profile and then you apply, right? So I am going to apply for this digital marketing. So you can see here everything, what type of things you want and from where you have to work from home. You can see here this is 6 month duration. Every month you are going to get snippet of 1000 rupee per month, and the post is on this May, and apply, you can apply up to this. So this is the entire detail. You can go with detail and you can see. So you can check out what is most relevant to you and you apply. So you can see here what are the things. Select intern, day-to-day responsibility, delegate calling, maintain data, send email about the event. You can see these are the things, and there is 2 seats available for this task, and you can apply are available. Only those candidates can apply who are available for work from home job or internship, can start the work from home job internship between 20th May to 24th June. In between this date you will get this offer if you are going to select for this and are available for duration 6 months. Once you get the offer, this will be 6 month internship and you must have related skill and the interest. So you can also go for this course. I already suggested for Google courses. You can go in my video YouTube channel and playlist and you can search for online courses playlist. There is Google course. So in that there is Google Analytics course. After that digital marketing course. So in digital marketing course there is 40 our Google digital marketing course is there, brand course with certificate. If you have completed that course or if you dare to complete that course and after apply such marketing internship, then definitely you are going to get internship in your hand on the first apply and you are going to get certificate. So you will get internship certificate and even letter of recommendation. So it is going to add credibility to your account and credibility to your resume. And you have to only work 5 days a week for 6 months in this internship. So when you go for different internship profile, you will see different requirement. You just go there and check it out and apply as you feel confident and as you feel you can work with this. So you do it. Please you subscribe my channel if you have not yet. So you will get more and more tutorial video related to the internship, online courses and NPTEL updates. So many software installation, all educational video you will get. So now you have to fill this all data and you have to go with. So from 10 I am going to fill and completed like that. You have to fill this all if you are going for first time. If you are already, if you have registered with this, then please you check it out and you skip the video up to particular time and after that you can directly apply for it. It only, this formality is only coming for the person who are going to apply for the first time, right? And I am just going to type the random thing here, random for sake of completion, and but you don't do like that, right? You do exactly precisely what you have to do and what your profile belong to. Judha Higher Secondary School. So I am doing one by one. You do the same way you can do, and +2 this is, and the year 17. Any you just mention your real data. So NEP and percentage, okay, percentage 90. I am just giving the random data. And STEM science, what your stream is you select. Unique Globe, SCC or SS College. Oh, not valid one. Secondary school. And now graduation. So you are in engineering, of course, so you go for pursuing, and if you have completed then you go for completed. And Aditya Institute of, okay, I am just selecting this, and the starting year 17 and expected pass 2021, and this is degree is BTech degree. sorry. So BTech, Bachelor of Technology, you go with this. You may be from BE, Bachelor of Engineering, a Bachelor of Technology, that is different according to syllabus, that name is different. So you please be precise. Computer Science and Engineering, and percentage or CGPA, you can go with either. 8.04, save. So this is done. Actually we are creating here resume profile. So when you apply, once your resume profile is ready, it will automatically attach with all your application. So next, we don't have those post graduation and those things, so I am just going to skip this. And internship, if you have, I have, so I am going to just keep some a few of them. So I am just going to prep bytes, campus business, sorry, manager, organization, prep byte, and this is, I am already doing this internship, work from home, starting date from 26th I joined it, not 26, yesterday itself I joined. Okay. And this is currently I am working here, or you have completed, then you can mention, and you can even give the description. So I am just going to give one small description. Prep bytes events at my college, and manage all the events of Prep byte in my college. So this is, I am doing each and every step, so you can get, and even you are doing some job, then you can add those things. I am just doing a few, I am just adding, so you can save, I can save your time, right? And do you have any flowing experience, then add. Okay, you have any project training, you can add, like I am going to add some training. So web development, and intern Sala, I am also doing internship with intern Sala as well as training, and online, this is also online. And I started this work, actually I forget the exact date, I think 16, right? And currently I am working. Yes, I have not completed so far the development, well development training, and I am learning all the basic of web development. I am not going to write full detail. I am just showing you for sake of how to add. You can go click on project and also position of responsibility, and you can move on. Next. And here it is asking what type of skill do you have. JavaScript. So it is just asking based on what you have given at the time of creation of account. So JavaScript beginner, HTML intermediate, CSS intermediate, PHP intermediate, Java intermediate. So based on your skill, you and even you can add skill. And now if you have blog, then you can put your blog. If you have personal blog, GitHub profile, then you can provide Play Store developer. If you have, then you can put. So these things you can put if you have, right? And next. So do you want to add any additional details? So you can add if you have like got any achievement, you have scored any better mark, or if you have any more certification courses, you can add. Right. I am just skipping this. So now you can see here your resume is ready. This resume is ready and this will be available for your entire internship what you are going to apply for. You can add there and you can also make it more better, right? And you can, whenever you will go to profile and click on any view detail and apply now, then after this step you are just going to get this. You are not going to get again and again fill those profile. You will get this page directly, and from there you can just click proceed to application, and here you have to write why should be hired for this role. So you just mention the related things and details. I am just writing for sake of completion. So here I am writing I am interested one. Please don't do any mistake while you are writing here. And it is asking will you be available? Yes, I will be. So at least you apply for 10 to 20 internships. So at the end you are going to get 1 or 2 to 5 internship in your hand. So submit now. So this is already applied. I applied for this. Now I am going to again back and I am going to show. Now it will show for the next who have already registered. We have also now already registered. Then how you are going to apply for the next internship. So here social media marketing, I am going to apply for this, view detail, and you can read out those all details. What are the things? Here you are only going to get certificate. Apply now, and you can see now it is not asking to fill this profile, but you can still edit if you want. Okay, and now proceed application. This is very easy. Now you can go with. And if you just want to not type here, you just want to import what you have given earlier, then you can just click here. You will get those both and submit. Right. So this is the thing, and I have shown you. Please you subscribe the channel, and still if you want to download your resume from this platform, then you go here, and here is edit resume. So I am showing entire thing, and here download resume, right? So you can download your resume also. So this is advantage of this platform. So two things you are doing simultaneously. So you can see here your brand new resume is ready now, right? And also moreover, if you want to know in how many company you applied, in how many you selected or not selected, those details, then you can go for my application. Okay, got it. And you can see here I have applied for the two, HCL Technology and Times Internet, and the number of applicants is there this much, and even you can view your application. So this is the whole detail I am explaining to you, as I am also working with Internshala. So this is my responsibility to explain you everything, each and every step. So this is the things, and once you not selected, then it will show not selected or already failed, like those things you will get, and you can navigate across and you will get. And if you want to learn some online courses, you want to get some training, then you can also apply for training and you go with those training. And you also want more offer in training, then I can refer you, so you will get around 150 rupees discount and 100 rupees discount, a special discount from my side. So you are going to get in net 250 discount on any training courses from this all. So if you are interested, then let me know, you just comment it, I will help you. And you need not to worry, these are 4 to 8 week courses depending on the course, and you have to pay around 350 rupees per course. And there is 1 2 3 mini project with each and every training courses, and you need not to give a lot of time, you just need to give 2 to 5 hours per week for the course. So if you are interested, let me know, I will refer you the better source. So this is the paid course actually. And regarding any internship, if you have any doubt, then please let me know, you ping me or you email me or you comment me, I will be there to help you. So thanks again you all, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel and share with your juniors, colleagues and friends, so they can take advantage of this opportunity. So thanks again my dear subscriber. You also join the Telegram group of Deep Codec Guru. You will get all those links in video description as well as the pin comment section. So you join our community and share your idea also, so we can join our hand and move forward for better education and better learning. So please stay inside home, stay safe, stay learning.